market slightly down. We saw volumes up. Give us a picture of where investors' heads are at right now, especially now that we're hearing oil prices are sliding. How's that affecting sentiment? We saw the market close up last week. In fact, it was up about 0.27%. So what's your take on where investors' heads are at this week?
Yes, the equities market of the Nigerian Stock Exchange has started the second half of the year on a little suppressed note. The all-share index actually declined by about 0.02% today, closing at about 21,571.67 points. Well, compared to last week when the market was upbeat, probably as a result of the end of quarter effect, we are seeing a market that is starting the second half of the year a little bit slow. The oil sector has not performed badly in the market. Owando, which is a prime security in that sector, actually traded today on full bid, appreciating by about 67 kobo. And if the gains by the other securities like Zenith Bank and GT Bank had actually not been watered down by the loss sustained by Dangote Cement, which was about 2 naira, perhaps we would have seen a market that would have started the second half on a high note. But if you look at the contribution of Dangote Cement to the market cap of the market, which is quite substantial and material, it actually pulled the market down from an assured appreciation today. So looking at this second half, against the backdrop of declining crude oil price, I think there's going to be an interplay of macroeconomic forces against the fundamentals of the market. As we await the release of the reports of the second quarter for most of the quoted companies, it's not unlikely, as fundamentals are improving, that may counterbalance the deterioration in macroeconomic factors that may arise from a decrease in crude oil price. Like you said, Mr. Adonri,
we're obviously waiting for results to come out, Q2 results. And actually, we saw a couple of results come out on the stock exchange today. We saw Honeywell posting fairly good results. We saw them giving out a dividend of 15 kobo, Flour Mills Company of Nigeria, a dividend of 1 naira 50 kobo. But we also saw profit after tax down when it comes to that stock. So can you give me a picture of some of these results we saw, many of them Q1 results that came out, and full year results 2011, and of course, how did we see these two stocks performing based on these results that came out?
Investors reacted very promptly and positively to the result released for Honeywell Flour Mill. The company released a result of full year ended March 2012, reporting a profit after tax of about 2.7 billion naira, which was a remarkable improvement when compared to the performance of the company last year. And they also proposed a dividend of 15 kobo. Market reacted spontaneously and positively, like I said, thus pushing the price of the security upwards by about 9 kobo. And so Honeywell Flour Mill, for quite some time, which had been in a little inactive state, gathered a very high volume of transactions today. Over almost 700,000 units of the security was traded today. And then looking at its other counterpart in the food and beverages sector, precisely Flour Mills of Nigeria, Flour Mills of Nigeria posted a profit after tax of about 8.3 billion naira. But when compared it was a drop in performance to what the company produced last year in terms of profit after tax.
No, Mr. Adonri, certainly looking like not such a good performance there so far with the results we're seeing coming out. I hope that, of course, we'll see better results as the course of the week goes on. Thank you so much for giving us an update on how the market performed. That was David Adonri, General Manager at Lambeth Trust Investment Company.